You want to quit, but every time you try, you fail. Why? Because you're fighting the wrong battle. Addiction isn't just a habit. It's your brain looking for easy dopamine, scrolling, gaming, junk food, social media, anything that gives instant reward. That's the trap. Here's the truth. You're not weak. You're just following what your brain has been trained to crave. Here is the 3-step system that breaks addiction at the root. Step 1, kill the trigger. Your brain doesn't decide, it reacts. Phone in sight, you scroll. Junk nearby, you eat. Game installed, you click. If the trigger stays, you lose. Change the environment, not your personality. Step 2, replace the dopamine. Your brain doesn't quit pleasure, it switches sources. So when the urge hits, walk for 5 minutes. Do one hard task. Cold water on your face. That's how rewiring starts. Step 3, the 5-second override. Urges last second, not forever. When it hits, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move. Do anything good for your future. No thinking. Action kills craving. Repeat this enough times and your brain learns we don't obey urges anymore. Addiction isn't who you are. It's what you train. And anything trained can be untrained.